Travelling for me makes me feel connected to my family, to Bali and to the country. I learned so much about this island and about Indonesia through its amazing array of dishes. I want the world to be able to taste and learn what I have learned over the past 30 years. For our 5th year, the Ubud Food Festival is going to spice up the world with Indonesian food. We know that Indonesian food is not as known as it should be, and we want this to change. When an adventurous foodie tastes something from this country, they'll only want to explore more, that's for sure. The Ubud Food Festival is the best place to explore Indonesian food, to meet fellow food lovers, your favourite chefs, and be inspired by exciting ideas. 3 days of cross-cultural culinary discovery, fabulous feasting, music and dancing. Food is the best way to access a culture. And when it's spicy, it's even better.